Welcome to Taiji's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Mayaku Tamago or Marinated Eggs. So there are arguments that this recipe is either Korean or Japanese, but either way, this 4 years ago it got really popular in Japan because a really famous YouTuber, Hikaki, made it, and I tried it. It was really delicious. In Japan they call it Mayaku Tamago, meaning drug egg, because it's so delicious, so addictive. I make this every now and then. The recipe is very simple, and as long as you have soy sauce, you don't need any special ingredients. Once you make this, you can put it on top of rice or top of ramen or just as a side dish. Either way, it's so delicious, so I really hope you give this a try yourself. Then, let's get started. Here are the ingredients for Mayaku Tamago or addictive marinated eggs. So of course I have just regular eggs. And then for the sauce, I have green onion or scallion, ginger, garlic, chili peppers. Today I'm going to be using these fresh green and red chili peppers, but of course you can use dried chili peppers. Whatever chili pepper you can find is fine. Then onion, roasted sesame seeds, and for the seasoning, I have sugar, soy sauce, and at the very end to enhance the flavor, sesame oil. Then let's get into it. Okay, as the first thing, let's cut up all the ingredients. Then I'm going to start with the scallion or the green onion, take the top and bottom off. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make slits like here, like this. And by doing this, when you cut them, you have, instead of like a ring, you have like square shapes. But of course you don't have to do this, it's just a preference thing. And then just cut them up. For this recipe, you don't have to make it that thin. Just about a centimeter slice or so is enough. So then, just like that, this is finished. And then also the onion, so cut the top off, make sure you don't cut off the bottom, and then peel off the skin. And then with these, I'm gonna make slits like this. I'm gonna cut up like this. And then you have dices like this. So the same thing. So just like that. And then next, let's grate the ginger and the garlic. So with the ginger, I'm gonna cut off the dry parts and peel off the skin. Then I'm gonna grate this using a grater. And then next with the garlic, also grate this. So with that, the ginger and the garlics are grated. That's the last thing, let's cut up the chili peppers. So I'm gonna cut this in half. Take off the seeds. And then we're gonna cut these up. So I'm gonna cut into small pieces so that they give up as much as flavor. So with that, all the ingredients are prepared. So this next step, you don't necessarily have to do this, but I also like to grate the roasted sesame seeds because this gives out much more flavor. So using a mortar. If you don't have a mortar, you can just use a food processor. So just like that is finished. So next, let's make the marinade sauce. Ginger and the garlic, the cut up scallion and the onion, and also the cut up chili, depending on how spicy you want it. And here, 3 tablespoons sugar, about 100 milliliters soy sauce, also the same amount of water, so 100 milliliter, and also the ground up sesame seeds. And then mix it up. So then with that, this marinade sauce is finished. So as the next thing, let's boil the eggs. So when you make a boiled egg, it's easy to peel at the end when you poke a hole. So today I'm gonna make a soft boiled egg. So I'm gonna set the timer for 6 minutes. So you kinda wanna mix it up every now and then like this, so that when it gets cooked, the yolk won't be to the side. So 6 minutes has passed, turn it off. Then I'm gonna take it out in cold water. So once it's cooled off, let's peel the eggs. So I think this is perfectly soft cooked. So then that's done for that. And then as the last thing, let's soak these eggs in this marinade sauce. So just to make sure that the eggs are always under the sauce, I'm just gonna put very lightly the saran wrap over it. And then I'm gonna put this in the fridge and let it marinate for at least several hours to preferably overnight. So a day has passed. Oh yeah, the eggs have soaked up the sauce. Let's see how this looks inside. Oh yeah, this looks so good. Then let's put this over hot rice. Then we're gonna put this sauce over this. Then as an option, you can put a little bit of sesame oil to this. It'll give this sesame flavor. Then this is finished. Let's eat. Then let's eat. Itadakimasu. Okay, then let's dig in. Itadakimasu. Oh, this is addictive good. The sauce is so complex with the garlic and the ginger, and this egg yolk is just really creamy, and the scallion and the garlic gives good umami, and the chili gives really good spicy kick to it, and this fine aroma of sesame oil is just altogether such a great harmony. Oh, that was so delicious. ごちそうさまでした. Oh, that was so delicious, so satisfying. So as you saw, making this marinated egg is just really easy. Like I said, you can put it on top of rice, on top of ramen noodle or fried rice. And this leftover sauce, you can use it for many things like stir fry, fried rice, or you can just put it on top of tofu, or mix it with oil and then you can use it as dressing. So this is very easy and so delicious, so I really hope you give this a try yourself. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love it if you hit the like button for me. And if you have any questions or requests or feedbacks, please feel free to write anything in the comments below. And if you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe. Otherwise, I look forward to see you in the next video. Bye.